أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير آمين يا رب العالمين. In our last lesson, Alhamdulillah, we have covered everything about Tanween, and in this lesson, yani lesson number 6, Ad-Darsu Sadis, inshallah, we will be doing the exercise on vowels and double count, double vowels, yani the single vowel and the double vowel. So what is it called? Tadribatun ala al-harakat wa tanween. Yani exercising with single harka and double harka. So let's begin. How to recite it? Abadan, abadan, ahadun, akhadha, akhadha. Don't forget, you have to raise your aqsal lisan for the heavy letter kha. Akhadha, adhina, amara, ana. This alif is called alif mustatil or alif mustadir. This alif, if you find alif and a circle at the top, then it is called alif mustadir. This will never be read. And there is one more alif which carries alif with the oval sign, that is called alif mustatil, tatil. Then this you will make use of only on stopping. But here we will not be reading because it belongs to this category. So we will not be reading it. Ana, ana. Or if you feel like it belongs to this category, in continuation we will not be reading it. Okay? Bakhila, bakhila, bararatin, bararatin. Never read it like bararatin, bararatin. No, you have to make ra heavy. Whenever you see ra with the fatha, ra with the dhamma, you have to raise your voice. You have to make it heavy. Ra will be read heavy. But when you see ra with the kathra, then you have to make it light. Since it is with the fatha, so we will make it heavy. Bararatin, bararatin. This sign is called ta marbuta. Ta marbuta. Bararatin, ja'ala, jama'a, hasada, hashara. See? Hashara, khashiya, khashiya, khalaqa, khuliqa, ذكر, رفع, رقبة, رقبة. Make qaf heavy. These two letters are heavy letters. So make qaf heavy. رقبة. Never read it as رقبة. No. رقبة. Sururun. Make ra heavy. Both the ra's should be heavy. Safaratin, safaratin. The makhraj of seen, give a safir, a slight whistling sound. Safaratin, suhufan, suhufan, suhufan. Wasaton, wasaton. Safir with ta, make it heavy. Wasaton, tabaqin, tabaqin, qin, qin. Make ta heavy, and qaf is also heavy, but it carries kasratan. Tabaqin, tabaqan, tabaqan. Okay? Now, let's go further. Yes. this is the thing you have to mark in your Qaida Nuraniya. What is it here? It is 2-1, 2-1. This ya was not supposed to be there. Actually, it was supposed to be like this. Why? I will let you know. 2-1, abasa, adala, alaqin, alaqin, alaqin. Don't make lam heavy. Alaqin. No. These two letters are light and this is a heavy letter, but it carries a kasratain. Alaqin, amadin, inaban. Are you seeing? Fathatain with alif. Okay. Abarat, ghabaratun, ghabaratun, fa'ala, qataratun, qataratun. Qataratun, qutila, qutila, qadara, quri'a, quri'a, make qaf heavy, quri'a. Okay, now let's go further and then I will explain you why am I doing about 2-1. I will let you know. Qasamun, qasamun, kabadin, kabadin, kutubun, kutubun, kasaba, kasaba, kafara, make ra heavy, kafara, kufuwan, kufuwan, lubadan, lubadan, lumazatin, lumazatin, lahabin, masadin, nakhiratan, nakhiratan, wajada, wajada, wasaqa, wasaqa, waqaba, waqaba, make qaf heavy, waqaba, walada, wahaba, humazatin, give a buzzing sound here, humazatin, hudan. Are you noticing the same kind of word? Now let's see some facts about this lesson. If you are seeing this Qaida Nuraniya carefully and the recitation of it, you will come to know that all the fathatans, yani the double fatha is always attached with alif. Abadan, are you seeing here? Abadan, let me change. Abadan. Then you have suhufan, wasatan, tabaqan, but this is something different. You don't see an attached alif here, but in all other cases you have noticed that there is a attached alif here. Inaban. Okay, so what is the reason? Like I wrote two things here, hudan, hudan, hudan. If I choose a different color for you, 2-1, then you have hudan, hudan. Here in most of the cases, like in 80 to 90% of the times, fathatain will always appear with a tool called alif. that alif will always be used while stopping, and it occurs only in alif. Alif will be attached only with fathatain. It will never be attached with dammatain or kasratain. Alif will always be attached with fathatain, but 90% of the times fathatain will be attached with the alif. But there are some cases where fathatain will not be attached with alif. Instead, the alif is replaced by ya. Alif is replaced by ya. It happens very few times that alif will be replaced by ya. Yani I can say it is just like 10% of the times in the Quran, or not even 10%, less than 10%, you will see that fathatain will not be attached with alif, but instead alif will be replaced by ya. So on how will we use this tool alif for stopping? Like if I speak about this word abadan, in continuation we will read it as abadan, but on stopping we will make use of this alif and we will read it like abada, abada. Similarly, suhufan, suhufan. On stopping, we will read it as suhufa. What happens? The fathatain, one of the fathatain will get deleted on stopping and it will change into maddal iwad. Maddal iwad. Similarly, wasaton, wasaton, on stopping will change to wasata, wasata. Tabaqan, tabaqan, on stopping will change into tabaqa, tabaqa. Similarly, tuwan, tuwan, on stopping you have to remember, tuwan on stopping will not change into lean letter. Like if I delete one of the fathatain from here, it should become, you may think that it should become tuwai. No, it will not change into tuwai, but it will change. You have to make it into, you have to read it like tuwa, tuwa, not tuwai. You have to remember, it's not tuwai, it's tuwa, tuwa. Similarly, inaban, inaban will change to inaba, inaba. One of the fathatain will disappear on stopping. This is the first point you have to remember. What was the first point? Wherever there is fathatain, there you can see an attached alif. That attached alif will be used only on stopping. On stopping, that will help you and that will change into madal iwad, and that madal iwad will be read with 2 counts only. Okay, and the second thing you have to remember is at some places tanween fathatain, which is always attached with alif, at some places you will notice that instead of alif, the alif will be replaced with ya. And even if alif is replaced with ya, you cannot change it into ya linear, but you have to change it into madal iwad only. So tuwan on stopping will become tuwa. Hudan on stopping will change into huda. Yani ya will be there, you have to change, you have to read it like huda. Okay, now the second thing about this lesson which a person should remember is that there is a letter called ta marbuta, which on stopping will change to ha. Like if I circle the words which carry ta marbuta, like baroratin, on waqf. On stopping or waqfan, it will change to bararah. Bararah. Raqabatin will change to raqabah. Raqabah. Similarly, safaratin will change to safarah. Safarah. Here, qataratun. Qataratun will change to qatarah. Qatarah. On stopping, ta marbuta will change into ha. Similarly, ghabaratun will change to ghabarah. Ghabarah. Let's see on the second page if we find some examples of ta marbuta. Yes. Here, lumazatin. Lumazatin will change to lumazah. On stopping, it will change to lumazah. Nakhiratan. Nakhiratan will change to nakhirah. Nakhirah. Here, are you saying humazatin? Humazatin will change to humazah. Humazah. This was all a bit information about this chapter. Let's read the chapter again with the stoppings. Yani waqfan. The way before which I read was waslan. Now let's see how to stop on these words. Abadan, on stopping will change to abada. Ahadun, on stopping will change to ahad. Ahad. You have to remember, as I said you in my previous lessons, that there are 5 letters which on stopping will take qalqala on them. Yani you have to bounce them on stopping, like qaf, ta, ba, jim and dal. These are the 5 letters which on stopping will, if they carry a sakin, even if the sakin is temporarily added one or the permanent one, this sakin, this sukoon sign on these letters will provide them qalqala. So you have to bounce it. Ahadun, ahadun, this is a qalqala one. Akhadha, on stopping will change to akhadh. Akhadh, this will turn into a sakin letter. Adina, adina will change, the last letter on stopping will turn into a sukoon, and then we have to read it as adin. Adin. Amara will change to amar. Amar. Ana will change to, if you are not reading this letter, an. 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 Similarly, bakhila. Bakhila will change to bakhil. Bakhil. Bararatin will change to bararah. Bararah. It will take a sakin. Ja'ala will change to ja'al. Jama'a will change to jam'. Hasada will change to hasad. Qalqala. Hasad. Hashara will change to hashar. Khwashiya will change to khwashi. It will change to a mother letter when it becomes a sakin. Ya sakina preceded by kasra. Kasra. Khalaqa will change to khalaq. Qalqala. Khuliqa will change to khuliq. Dhakara will change to dhakar. Rafa'a will change to rafa'. Raqabatin will change to raqabah. On stopping. Sururun. Surur. Safaratin. Safarah. Suhufan. صحفا وسط وسطا طبق طبق قلقلة طبقا طبقا طوا طوى عبس عبس عدل عدل علق علق عمد عمد عنبا عنبا غبرة غبرة فعل فعل قطرة 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 قتل قتل قدر قدر قرئ قرئ قرئ. You have to give a jerk. Nabar in Arabic, a jerk. قرئ. Hope it is clear. Let's go to the other page. Here, qasamun will change on stopping to qasam. Kabadin will change to kabad. Qalqala. Kabad. Kabad. Kutubun will change to kutub. And it will change to sakin, and the sakin letter ba is a qalqala letter. Kutub. Kasaba. Kasab. Kafara. Kafar. Kufuwan. Kufuwa. Lubadan. Lubada. Lumazatin. Lumazah. Lahabin. Lahab. Masadin. Masad. Nakhiratan. Nakhirah. Wajada. Wajad. Wasaqa. Wasaq. Qalqala. Qalqala. Waqaba. Waqab. Walada. Walad. Wahaba. Wahab. Humazatin. Humazah. Huda. Huda. This completes. Hope you got all the information, all the most important information, waslan and waqfan in continuation and on stopping about this lesson. See you inshallah in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.